Hi, this is Misbah, and you are watching Wisdom Dose. 1. Welcome to Element-8, General Workplace Issues. In this element, we'll look at a range of common hazards that occur in almost every workplace, regardless of industry. These include slips, trips and falls, lighting, safe movement of people, and the control of workplace transport. Even though these hazards might seem basic, they account for a huge number of workplace injuries each year. By understanding the risks and applying simple, effective controls, organizations can significantly reduce accidents and improve safety culture. 2. Learning objectives. By the end of this element, you should be able to identify the most common general workplace hazards. You'll understand the typical causes of slips, trips, and falls and how to prevent them. You'll be able to explain how to maintain safe movement of people within a workplace, and you'll understand the key risks associated with workplace transport and the controls that can prevent accidents. 3. Slips, trips, and falls. Slips, trips, and falls are one of the leading causes of injuries in workplaces worldwide. The causes are often simple: wet or contaminated floors, uneven surfaces, trailing cables, or poor housekeeping. The controls are equally straightforward. Good workplace design to avoid trip hazards, prompt maintenance of damaged floors, clear marking of steps and edges, and keeping walkways clear and free from obstructions. 4. Lighting. Lighting plays a critical role in workplace safety. It must be adequate for the type of work being done and for safe movement through the workplace. Poor lighting can lead to accidents, eye strain, and reduced productivity. Glare and deep shadows should be avoided as they can obscure hazards. Emergency lighting must be in place to provide safe evacuation if the power fails. 5. Safe movement of people. Safe movement of people starts with clear separation of pedestrian and vehicle routes wherever possible. Walkways should be clearly marked and free of obstructions. Adequate signage should be in place to direct people safely, and physical barriers can be used to keep pedestrians away from high-risk areas such as loading bays or forklift routes. 6. Workplace transport risks. Workplace transport risks are common in warehouses, construction sites, and large industrial facilities. Hazards include moving vehicles and equipment, especially forklifts, lorries, and mobile plant. Reversing maneuvers and blind spots present particular dangers. Loading and unloading operations are also high-risk activities that require careful planning and supervision. 7. Workplace transport controls. To control workplace transport risks, organizations should have a clear traffic management plan that includes designated routes, speed limits, and one-way systems where possible. Vehicles should be regularly inspected and maintained to prevent mechanical failures. Drivers must receive proper training and supervision to ensure they follow safe working practices. 8. Housekeeping. Good housekeeping is a simple but highly effective safety measure. Floors should be kept clean and dry, materials should be stored in designated areas to prevent obstructions, and waste should be disposed of promptly. Poor housekeeping not only increases the risk of slips, trips, and falls, but can also hide more serious hazards. 9. Summary and exam tip. In summary, control slips, trips, and falls through good design, maintenance, and housekeeping. Ensure lighting is adequate for both tasks and safe movement. Keep pedestrians and vehicles separated wherever possible, and control transport risks through planning, vehicle maintenance, and driver training. For the exam, always give examples, for instance, separating pedestrians from forklifts in a warehouse or installing non-slip flooring in a kitchen. That concludes Element 8. In Element 9, we'll focus on work equipment, including the safe use, selection, maintenance, and guarding of machinery and tools.